press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, to continue the show forward with this beautiful show and the project, we have Mr. Veerav Patel and the very lovely Manav sir to talk about this project further, sir. You have been a playwright, director, you have had a close association with theatre. So when you get into the skin of a character, how much do you think that, all these kind of roles that you have already had played, when you've been into theatre, these kind of things actually help to get into the skin of a character? Because you've also written as well, so many projects.
Not projects. I only write plays.
Plays.
And
By projects I mean plays, sir.
yeah, and short stories.
Yeah.
But मुझे लगता है because I have done whatever theatre, performing art. I've been associated with performing art for quite some time. So that is the whole idea of not working too much when you get the character. So I understand कि हाँ ये character ऐसा है, but also you need to spend time with the director and writer. So Subhash Kapoor and Shashank Shah, they were amazing. ये attempt इतना interesting है कि मुझे लगता है कि इतनी vast story है, इतनी बड़ी story है. मतलब मेरे को तो 10 episodes are very very important to actually give justice to the story.
सर और प्रोजेक्ट में तो स्टोरी में तो हम लोग को पता है कि आप इनको मार डालते हो, लेकिन when you were actually shooting and on the sets and all, how was the bonding and how did you get along with each other? What were the things that you used to do to chill and have fun?
I mean मेरे except the killing I don't हमारा
वो सर स्टोरी का पार्ट है वो
हमारा कोई उतना ज़्यादा था. Only one day we shot together which was nice, but मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि बाकी एक्टर्स लाइक सुमित व्यास टू अंगद टू मकरंद देशपांडे, सौरभ शुक्ला जी, हम लोगों ने सब काम किया साथ में. वी हैव डन थिएटर टुगेदर, वी बीन पार्ट ऑफ सम अदर प्रोजेक्ट. सो और मैं इन एक्टरों को पसंद भी बहुत करता हूँ. सो इट्स सो अमेजिंग दैट वी स्पेंड सच इंटरेस्टिंग टाइम टुगेदर एंड वी अंडरस्टैंड कि ये लोग कैसे काम करते हैं, हाउ दे अप्रोच देयर रोल एंड how they interpret their character.
And Veerav, when you were there, you were doing the project, and when the script came to you for the first time, you knew that there was an adaptation of it, that was already there in the form of Rustam, done by Akshay sir. So you knew that this project has to be presented in a different way. Did you think that it could be a challenge to kind of move forward or portray the same story again in front of the public eye?
Yeah, I did have those thoughts actually. मैं जब शशांक सर ने मुझे कहा कि you should test for this part, I said, are you sure? Why are we even telling this story? Rustam has just been made 2-3 years back, and why are we even doing this? He says, no, there's something very refreshing that they're doing. So I went with the faith of that and the fact that Ekta ma'am was doing it. कुछ तो बात होगी. But even then, because of that doubt, I said, listen, you all test me, but if you like me, I'm going to read the full script and then say the final go, because I'm nervous about that. They said fine. So they tested me. They said we like you for the part, and now here's the script. You read and you give us the idea. तो मैंने पढ़ा, and then I was sold, because I was not sold कि अरे प्रेम का इतना अच्छा पार्ट है या इसका इतना अच्छा पार्ट है. The entire writing of the show was very good. मतलब लखान बहुत अच्छी है इसकी. Now I think we are all very satisfied as to the way it's sort of shaped up. बड़ी प्यारी कहानी है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ये 57 में भी हुआ है 4-5 बार. लास्ट रुस्तम ने भी फिर से यही कहानी बताई. पर हर एक कहानी के पहलू होते हैं और हर एक कहानी के नज़रिए होते हैं. तो इस 10 एपिसोड में सिर्फ एक ही नज़रिया नहीं एक्सप्लोर किया गया है जैसे कि कोई फिल्मों में एक्सप्लोर किया गया.
एंड स्टोरी में तो सर आपका द कैरेक्टर इट्स प्रीटी मच ऑफ अ प्ले बॉय एंड एवरीथिंग. सो एक इमेज जब हम लोग कॉलेज जाते हैं एज स्टूडेंट्स, एज यंग पीपल एंड ऑल, एक काइंड ऑफ परसेप्शन, वेदर दैट बी देयर और इन रियलिटी और नॉट, एक परसेप्शन इज ऑलवेज देयर अराउंड पीपल हु आर लाइक हैव दिस हंग काइंड ऑफ इमेज एंड ऑल. तो कॉलेज में आपका इमेज कैसा था? मतलब वाज इट लाइक ऑफ अ प्ले बॉय काइंड ऑफ एन इमेज और समथिंग लाइक नहीं बहुत सीधा साधा बंदा है ऐसा कुछ? Because it has got nothing to do with you, but then the kind of perception people form around you. तो आपके लिए perception क्या था?
In college, if you're asking me what kind of a guy I was a very awkward, shy, wannabe playboy.
क्या बात कर रहे हो sir?
I would be looking at all those fancy guys and I'm like, wow, what pizzazz, what panache. I wish I could be like them. And I would be the, very not so confident about myself, thinking, and I kept thinking to myself that maybe I'm not good enough in so many other ways, and all of us have that, you know, कि मेरे में ये अच्छा नहीं है, उसका देखो कितना अच्छा है. But actually जब मैं acting सीख रहा था, मुझे the craft taught me कि ये सब मेरा conditioning है, and you can be a playboy or a rickshaw wala. It depends on how you
Nourish yourself.
you know, think about yourself and you think about the character. So if you bring your conditioning to neutral or zero, you can go anywhere.
Yeah.
And I think that was about it.
But you just said that, you know, you were like not too confident during your college days. So from there on to actually moving to something like modeling and coming in front of the camera.
Yeah, and then
you're-
going on to win Mr.
Yeah,
India.
exactly. So I mean, you know, I
had
think
no-
that's a fabulous thing to do because, you know, it's not just about how you prepare yourself physically, but also it has a lot to do with the mind.
Yeah.
So how did you train your mind? Physically, to matlab, you can go to the gym, you can train, you know, so as to look that way. But then it's about the nourishment and the grooming that you do with the mind, especially when you're having that kind of shy attitude.
True, I think Manav should also be a good guy to address this because he too must have had to do so much to nourish his mind to be able to become this playwright. He plays the role of an author. Right now, he just told me right now that I'm an author of 4 books. So मुझे ये पता नहीं था इनके बारे में.
He's like jack of, not just jack of all trades, he's master of all as well. I
Yeah,
believe.
yeah, and he's quite low profile. And at the little 2-3 days I worked with him, I figured that Manav is very easy to work with. And I must ask you, Manav, what all goes into the head of an
Yes,
actor
please.
to reach where he is?
Boliye sir, we all want to hear.
No, I think the way you live is very important. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है it's all senses. What you see, hear, taste, touch. You have to make sure that you touch correct, you hear correct, you see correct, you read correct, you eat correct, and that's gonna come out. So whatever you're gonna put inside is gonna come out. It's like a diet. So I'm very particular about that. What I watch, where I travel, what I see, what I hear, and what I read. So everything is a product of that.
And sir, whenever you come up with a new project, I mean, you know, there are certain actors who see the direction or the production house and, you know, the banner behind it. There are some people who see the script. There are some people who see the director. So what is that, you know, particular selection criteria for you before, you know, signing any project?
I don't know. I'm not that choosy actually. Because मैं काम कम करता हूँ because I travel a lot. I do a lot of things, so that's why
you
time
have
नहीं
other
होता.
things.
But I'm not that choosy. If I have time and the script comes and if I like the script and the director,
Yeah, it's a
basically
combination of both.
combination of both because the idea is because मैं खुद डायरेक्टर रह चुका हूँ थिएटर में, मैंने खुद फिल्में में डायरेक्ट की हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि सरेंडरिंग इज वन आर्ट यू हैव टू लर्न एज एन एक्टर. So I don't say yes till the time I don't like the script and the director. Director and the writer is very important. The moment you say yes, then you have to surrender. So I surrender, and this is the only way you actually learn or get something out of any project.
Yeah, and sir, this is something I want to ask both of you. That is, you know, in the last few years we have seen the OTT platform growing like anything. So it has not just been a good platform for new actors coming from theatres or something who get an opportunity to prove themselves, but it's also for freshers and a lot of people too. It has been the platform, like the go-to platform for people for whom probably, you know, directly getting into films is not being that easy. So you prove yourself on the web platform and then you go forward.
ऐसा है नहीं ये कि कोई मतलब हर चीज़ फिल्म के लिए नहीं आप वो काम करते हो. मुझे लगता है कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म अभी राइट नाउ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑल्सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली अबाउट एक्टर्स. मतलब जितने स्टनिंग राइटर्स आ रहे हैं इस वक्त, जितने राइटर्स को जितना पैसा मिल रहा है और जितना बिजी जो वो डिजर्व करते हैं हमेशा से, ये कहाँ होता था पहले. आप फिल्मों में हीरो को प्रोजेक्ट करते थे. आप पहली बार राइटर के पास एक स्टोरी आती है जिसमें वो हर कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्लोर कर सकता है, एक आइडिया ड्रामा को एक्सप्लोर कर सकता है. दैट्स ग्रेट. मुझे लगता है सबके लिए बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टाइम है और 9 एपिसोड में आपको स्टोरी या 10 एपिसोड में आपको स्टोरी कहने को मिलती है. इट्स सो मच टाइम यू स्पेंड एंड यू बेटर बी गुड बिकॉज अदरवाइज कोई सेकेंड एपिसोड क्लिक नहीं करेगा. सो इट्स फेयर डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस बेसिकली.
And Virab ji, you know, as I said, coming back to the point of adaptation, your character of Prem Ahuja, the adaptation project was played, you know, the character was played by Arjun Bajwa. So when you were doing this thing, did you cautiously watch Rustam again and, you know, the way his body language was, or you wanted it to be absolutely natural? कि मुझे ऐसे ही करना है, I wanted to be absolutely natural this way.
Yeah, to be honest, yes, I did watch Rustam.
Yeah.
And but that happened while that was before I read the script. But then I read the script and I said, Verdict and Rustom are like poles apart. And also the character of Prem Ahuja has to also be very different. And not just because what I wanted. When I read the script, the verdict में जो प्रेम आहूजा लिखा गया है वो बहुत अलग है. And to suit him, I just had to stick to the writing and not use too much of my brains because the writers had done enough of that. And they had thought it through very well.
Pleasure talking to you both, and I wish both of you all the best for this one. And I really hope that this is a big success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Viral Feroz Patel and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.